Every time we talk about our culinary DNA, adobo is the dish to mention. Adobo is the most popular dish in the Philippines. Every Filipino family has its own special version. Our family version is that of Lola Asyang, and Lola Asyang's version is traditional. But I will be doing a jazzed up version and making it easy for you to follow. I'll be using deboned chicken thigh, and the flavor base will be 1 part of vinegar, half a part of soy sauce, and half a part of oyster sauce to balance the saltiness and the sourness of the ingredients. Whenever you're marinating, make sure to put your hands to the dish because that's what my Lola said, you become a part of the dish. I have already started to heat up my aromatics, garlic, and my bay leaf and my peppercorn using my annatto oil. I'm already smelling the aromatics and I'll just put them here on the side. Put in our chicken, same side down. I even saved the chicken fat. Let's brown this on both sides before we add in the marinade. Now our chicken has browned and we're ready to pour in the marinade. We will cook this on high for about 10 to 15 minutes and then lower it to a simmer until the sauce thickens. And the adobo will get done. This is my adobo. This is my culinary DNA. This is a part of our family tradition. Now let's eat. Salty, umami, everything. Thank you to my Lola for this recipe.